Hello YouTube gardeners. The most important thing that we could be doing right now for our bodies is boosting our immune system. There are so many health benefits associated with consuming fruits and vegetables right when they're harvested. This enables us to maximize the vitamins and minerals that the plants have to offer. And with this horrible virus going around and the health issues that me and my husband have, we want to maximize the nutrients we receive from the fruits and vegetables we consume. And the best way to do that is to grow our own food or to buy produce from a local farm. As I mentioned a few weeks ago in my video on baby beets and hemochromatosis, I have a blood disease called hemochromatosis that rusts my vital organs. For testing information, look back at that video. It's very important to add those blood tests to your annual routine blood work to make sure that you don't have that disease. Plus, I have year-round allergies and I'm prone to asthma and breathing problems. And my husband has had pneumonia a couple times, which means he's more prone to getting it again and has high blood pressure. So now more than ever, it's important for us to keep our immune systems as strong as possible. So in this video, we are going to be sharing the foods we are growing and consuming a lot more of, more than usual, over the next several weeks for their high vitamin C content and immune support. Citrus, of course, is high in vitamin C, and we are growing lots of citrus. But what has even more vitamin C than citrus is leafy greens like spinach. Eating raw spinach is best for maximum nutritional potential. Here is the seed packet information on some great varieties to try. We're growing Acadia, Seaside, Red Kitten, that was the one with the red veins going through the leaves, Corvair, and Lizard, all from Johnny Seeds. I was surprised and very happy to learn that almonds were good for immunity building. Because we love almonds and we have a second-year almond tree growing, and although we're only getting a few almonds off of it this year, we will definitely be eating as many almonds as possible over the next several months from the grocery store. Red bell peppers are another great immunity building vegetable. They have 200% of your daily vitamin C intake and are packed full of antioxidants. We will have lots of homegrown peppers in a couple of months, like this delicious red night variety. But for now, we will have to grab some from the store or get some from our farm box. If you guys have some recommendations on preserving red peppers, let me know. I'm thinking about maybe a pickled red pepper and spicy garlic mixture. Sounds like a delicious way to preserve our harvests. Broccoli is another vegetable that we will start eating a lot more of. It's a great source for vitamin K and vitamin C. And I'm not a big cooked broccoli fan, so I'll be eating it raw, and I've read that for maximum nutrients from the plant to cook as little as possible. We are growing this beautiful purple variety and we'll be sharing the seed packet information on this variety soon, so subscribe for a future video on growing burgundy broccoli. Garlic, say no more. We are garlic lovers. As you can see here, we're growing a ton of it. And we have a bunch still left over from last growing season. The health benefits of garlic are amazing. It's an anti-inflammatory, lowers cholesterol, boosts the immune system, helps with bone health and brain health by increasing the blood flow to the brain. We can't grow this, but it is said that these cultures may stimulate your immune system to help fight diseases. And the key is to make sure that the yogurt has live and active cultures, like this Greek yogurt. Yogurt is also a great source of vitamin D, which helps regulate the immune system and is thought to boost our body's natural defenses. So we will be adding this to our daily routine. And green tea and turmeric. And we're not growing tea leaves, but we are growing turmeric. It's very easy to grow. You just pop some roots in a container a couple of inches below a soil rich in organic matter in a sunny location. We are growing ours in a few different areas. This particular area is partial shade, but it does see lots of sun. And make sure it gets plenty of water. It likes moist, well-drained soil. This beautiful tropical plant will produce beautiful leaves reaching about 3 feet tall. Then they will die back, leaving you with lots of roots to powder for teas and spicing up your dishes. We've all heard about the amazing health benefits of turmeric, especially the anti-inflammatory properties. And we'll be sharing a delicious recipe for green tea with turmeric, so hit the subscribe button. Kiwis have 5 times the amount of vitamin C as citrus, so they're a great nutritional boost for your immune system. We got ours at fastgrowingtrees.com. These are the miniature grape-sized kiwis, so no fuzzy skin or peeling necessary. They're cold hardy, drought tolerant, and heat resistant, which is perfect for our growing area. Unfortunately, our kiwis are just starting out, so we will need to get some from our farm box delivery. But next season, we should have some of our own. And the last thing that I wanted to share with you guys is this great resource from Harvard Medical School. And it's wet, but we could still read it. Basically, it goes over what you can do to boost your immune system, healthy ways to strengthen your immune system and fight disease. Great resource. And here is the information on how to find it online. It's a great read full of a ton of information on how to build your immune system. All right, that's it for now. For more short videos on how to grow food in Southern California, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna have a video on how to grow this beautiful purple lady, bok choy. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.